So this will be interesting to see whether we hold this previous high over here. So you can see we are indeed making higher highs and higher lows. So obviously we're going to assume bullishness for the upcoming week, but it will be interesting to see if we can hold this level. If we see a rejection of this key level, if we flip to the 1 hour, again, not concerned about this structures to the left. If we see price create, some sort of rejection off of this level, that would be quite a nice setup to possibly be looking at. Okay, USD CAD. Let me just zoom out over here. So essentially, what's happened here on USD CAD is we've created a double top. Okay, you can see that right here. We have one touch here, and then we push lower, create a lower high, and create a next one here. Okay, then what's actually happened, if we pull this up, we've broken below the previous lower low structure. Okay, lower high structure, pardon me. Okay, and that means this uptrend is essentially no longer valid, for me at least. Okay, that's how I trade. So, I want to see some new downtrend structure begin to form, price push back to this key level, okay, and then continue down from there. Okay, not concerned about this structure here majorly, although I would be wary of it if we're taking sells. If I were to take a sell, I would probably make sure that I can get to break even before price reaches this level, okay? Because although the trend is bearish and, the structure is bearish, this is quite a strong level in the market. And so if I was to take a sell there, I want to make sure I can hit break even, because I think it's quite likely price will push back off here before continuing down, okay? But rejection of this level is something I'm looking at for next week. US dollar Swiss franc, again, similar to USD JPY. If we can reject this key level here, I'll be looking for longs. And again, want to see some wicks, some patterns, and some momentum candles. Otherwise, if we break below here, I can imagine us creating some sort of a head and shoulders to trade off, which could potentially be quite a good setup. Okay, trading to the downside. Again, we would be breaking this trend, but that all depends on how the US dollar goes for next week. Okay, Euro Australian dollar. Now, this is literally a perfect setup I'm looking at right now. Textbook, you can see a double top on this market right here. There's one top, there's another top. Okay, we failed to break below this structure. Then finally, we get the break below retest. Okay, so something like this, bang, bang, break below. Okay, so literally a perfect textbook structure right here. Okay, and if it wasn't market close in 2 hours, I would be taking this 100%. Okay, but obviously, it is market close. Okay, so I'm not saying take this at all. It's just my trading. Again, remind yourself of that. I lose a lot as well. So, but I want to show you guys this setup of how I would enter on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute time frame, because I've been playing around with it and it's quite fun. Okay, so first of all, in the 4 hour, create a double top, break below the key level, which is simply just the previous lower low structure right over here. Okay, then we push back for a retest, and we can see the 4 hour closing at this key level. Once we see that, flip to the 1 hour, okay, and we want to see price rejecting this key level. Okay, so first of all, we can see a small double top on the 1 hour time frame. If we flip to the 15-minute, we can again see another double top. Okay, so potential entry I would be looking at if I were to trade this, I'd be going like double top. Okay, want to see a retest back to this neckline and then a continuation down. Okay, that way we have bearish structure, okay, on the 4 hour time frame with a break and retest. We have bearish behavior on the 1 hour time frame with a double top and momentum shift candles, and then we have bearish entry confirmations with a new downtrend. Okay, so very high probability setup I'd be looking at. Okay, but otherwise for next week, I could still be looking at price to create big double tops before continuing down. Okay, last few pairs we'll have a look at is Euro USD. Similar to the GU, we're creating a new trend to the upside potentially, but I think we're going to see resistance at this level before continuing down. Okay, Euro GBP we already had a look at. Euro JPY, again, it'll be interesting to see if we push back to this key level, okay, before providing a rejection and a continuation up, because keep in mind we are now trending up, making higher highs and higher lows, but I think we're likely to see some rejection at this key level. But again, I'm not going to be looking at it when I'm taking trades. Just want to make sure I can hit break even, okay, before I hit that key level, in case price does push bearish back on me. Okay, so retest back to the previous higher high structure, clean rejection before I go long. Okay, Euro CAD, again, we can just see a little box set up. Want to see price break it below or above this key structure over here. Okay, we'll finish with gold.
Interested in seeing our trades live as they happen? By joining the A1 Trading Discord, you'll get a notification every time one of our traders enters a position. Each trade we share comes with an entry price, a stop loss, and most importantly, a full breakdown of why the trade was taken. Learn alongside our experienced traders, join our active chat room, and ask your questions in our coaching webinars. Between our team of active traders, we trade forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, crypto, and stocks. By joining the group, you'll be able to keep up with all of it. Sign up today using the link in the description, and don't forget to use our promo code listed below for a special subscriber discount. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.